Coming to question number 3 of exercise 3.2. Question number 3 says that on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Now children, we are knowing that a system of linear equations will be consistent if it has at least one solution or infinite solution. And the system of linear equations is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. We are also knowing the conditions of inconsistency and consistency. So let us do question number 3. I have written subpart number 1, 2 and 4. So subpart number 1 is 3x plus 2y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y equals to 7. Writing the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, we get that a1 by a2 is 3 by 2, b1 by b2 is minus 2 by 3. So we no need to check c1 by c2. Clearly a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Therefore the given system of linear equations have unique solution. It has a solution, it means it is consistent. Subpart number 2, 2x minus 3y equals to 8 and 4x minus 6y equals to 9. Again writing the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2 and finding the value of a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, we get that a1 by a2 is half, b1 by b2 is half and c1 by c2 is 8 by 9. Then clearly a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2, which is not equals to c1 by c2. Therefore, the given system of linear equations has no solution. No solution means inconsistent. Subpart number 4 is 5x minus 3y equals to 11 and minus 10x plus 6y equals to minus 22. Again, writing the value of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, we get the ratio a1 by a2 as minus 1 by 2, b1 by b2 as minus 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 is also minus 1 by 2. Thus we get a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2 equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, the given system of linear equations have infinite solution. Therefore, it is consistent. Now, let us go to the next question. Hello students. Coming to question number 4 of exercise 3.2. The question is, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So question number 1 is x plus y equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y equals to 10. We will write here a1 equals to 1, b1 equals to 1 and c1 equals to 5. a2 equals to 2, b2 equals to 2 and c2 equals to minus 10. c1 is minus 5. Therefore, a1 by a2 equals to 1 by 2, b1 by b2 equals to 1 by 2 and c1 by c2 also equals to minus 5 by minus 10 equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2 equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, given system of linear equation has infinite solution. Hence, it is consistent. Now after this, the question is saying that if it is consistent, now we have got it is consistent. So if it is consistent, obtain the solution graphically. So represent it graphically. You will be getting two lines which are overlapping each other and hence you can find the solution. The rest of the questions or the subparts of question number 4 you will be attempting by your own. If any doubt is there, you will be please writing in the comment box or the inbox. Now let us proceed to question number 5. Question number 5 says that half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find dimensions of the garden. So we have to find the length and the breadth of the garden. So let us start. half the perimeter of the rectangular garden is 36 meter. So given half of perimeter equals to 36 meter, therefore perimeter equals to 36 into 2 equals to 72 meter. Now let length equals to L meter and breadth equals to B meter. According to question, length is 4 meter more than its breadth. So L equals to B plus 4. Length is 4 meter more than the breadth. Now perimeter equals to 72 meter. Therefore twice into length plus breadth equals to 72 meter. This implies twice. Now length is breadth plus 4 or breadth is length minus 4. So whatever you feel you can write. I am writing L plus of B. B will be L minus 4 equals to 72. You can write over here L as B plus 4 as well. This implies twice L minus 4 equals to 36. This implies twice L equals to 40, implies length equals to 20. Therefore breadth equals to L minus 4 equals to 20 minus 4 equals to 16. Therefore dimensions are length equals to 20 meter and breadth equals to 16 meter. Answer. Coming to question number 6, which says that given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. One linear equation is given as 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0. Write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair so formed is number 1 intersecting lines, number 2 parallel lines, and number 3 coincident lines. Now children, we know that two lines are intersecting if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So here for 2x plus 3y minus 8 equals to 0, a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to 3 and c1 equals to minus 8. Now children, whatever value from the infinite numbers, any number you suppose such that a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. So we can write let a2 equals to anything, suppose 3, b2 equals to 2 and c2 equals to anything randomly, whatever you can write. I have written minus 7. Then clearly a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. This one a1 by a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is 3 by 2. Therefore another linear equation is 3x plus 2y minus 7 equals to 0. I think you understand. Similarly, we will be doing for parallel lines and the coincident lines. For the parallel lines, the condition is a1 by a2 equals to b1 by b2 is not equals to c1 by c2. So let us suppose the value of a2, b2 and c2 as such. So let a2 equals to, a1 is 2, so let a2 equals to anything, let us suppose 4, b2 equals to 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, so b2 I will be supposing such number such that 3 divided by such number equals to 1 by 2, so I will be supposing it as 6, 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2. I think children you understand, 2 by 4 is 1 by 2, 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Now we have to suppose such numbers such that this is not equals to c1 by c2. So C1 is minus 8. So let us suppose C2 is equals to minus 7. So clearly A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Then A1 by A2 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 1 by 2. B1 by B2 equals to 3 by 6 equals to 1 by 2. And C1 by C2 equals to, what we have taken, C1 as minus 8 and this as minus 7. So this equals to 8 by 7. Therefore, A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 is not equals to C1 by C2. Therefore, another required linear equation is what we have supposed, 4x plus 6y minus 7 equals to 0. Now the third case, coincident lines, means infinite solution. The condition is A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2. So let us take suppose A2 equals to 2 3s are 6, B2 equals to 3 3s are 9 and C2 equals to 8 3s are 24. Then A1 by A2 equals to B1 by B2 equals to C1 by C2 equals to 1 by 3. Therefore, required linear equation is 6x plus 9y minus 24 equals to 0. Answer.